Hey everyone! Welcome back to Budget Blueprint. Today's video is raw, personal, and packed with actionable steps because 3 years ago, I was literally you. Working a dead-end job, staring at my bank account like, how am I gonna pay rent this month? Fast forward to today, and I'm averaging $42,407 a month across 5 income streams. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven blueprint that combines hustle, strategy, and a few mistakes I made so you don't have to. Stick around, I am breaking down exactly how each stream works, the tools I used, and how you can start today. Let's kick things off with affiliate marketing. This is the easiest stream to start but the hardest to scale, unless you use my 3-tier system. Here's how it breaks down. Tier 1, high-ticket commissions. For example, I promoted a $3,000 marketing tool and earned $1,200 per sale. The secret here is targeting niches like SaaS, finance, or luxury travel where commissions are high. Tier 2, recurring commissions. Web hosting companies pay me $50 a month forever for every customer I refer. I use comparison guides like Bluehost versus SiteGround to rank on Google and capture buyers actively researching. Tier 3, micro commissions. Amazon Associates is where I earn small payouts, but they add up to $2,000 a month from thousands of tiny sales. Here's where I messed up. I only focused on Tier 1 at first. Big mistake. Diversifying into Tiers 2 and 3 gave me stability and consistent cash flow. Your action step, start with Share a Sale, it's free to join. Create a free best tools for your niche, guide and drive traffic via Pinterest or Google SEO. Next up is dividend investing. This is not sexy, but it's the closest thing to a money printer I've found. My portfolio includes SCHD ETF, 3.5% yield, 11% annual dividend growth. Realty income, pays me $500 a month from 20 rental properties I don't even own. Johnson & Johnson, 60 plus years of dividend increases. I started with just $200 a month and used DRIP, or dividend reinvestment, to compound my returns. After 5 years, my portfolio spits out $8,500 a month. Here's a key move. I followed Andrei Jikh's strategy of buying during market crashes. In 2023, when everyone panicked, I dumped $10,000 into undervalued stocks. Your action step, open a M1 Finance account, set up auto investing, and forget it exists. Let time do the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about digital products, which are my favorite. They're 100% passive after creation. Here's what's working in 2025. Notion templates *. I sold a YouTube content planner for $49 and made $4,000 in the first week. The secret? Film a 60-second TikTok showing the template in action to build hype. Printables *. My 30-day budget tracker earns $2,000 a month on Etsy. The trick is using Pinterest SEO with keywords like aesthetic budget printables. Online courses *. My budgeting for beginners course on Teachable makes $3,000 a month. I offer a free mini course first to build an email list and warm up buyers. Here's the truth, my first course flopped. I spent 100 hours creating it and sold only 3 copies. Then I started using Dripify to validate ideas before creating. Your action step, start with a $7 printable on Etsy. Use profits to fund your next product. Moving on to Airbnb rental arbitrage. This stream sounds complicated, but it's simpler than you think. Here's my exact playbook. Step 1, find a landlord willing to sublet. Make sure to use a lease addendum to get permission. Step 2, furnish the apartment for about $5,000 using IKEA and Facebook Marketplace deals. Step 3, list it on Airbnb and hire a co-host who handles cleanings for 20% of the profits. Here's the math for 1 unit. Rent, $2,000 a month. Airbnb revenue, $4,500 a month. Profit, $2,500 per unit. I'll be honest, I got scammed my first time. A landlord ghosted me after I paid the deposit. Now I use RentReady to vet properties and avoid that mistake. Your action step, start with 1 unit in a tourist-friendly area. Use price labs to auto-adjust nightly rates and maximize income. Finally, let's talk about content licensing, which is an underrated goldmine. Companies pay to reuse your videos, blog posts, or photos. For example, a finance app paid me $1,500 to turn my budget hacks video into employee training. Shutterstock pays me $200 a month for my infographics. How to get started: add a licensing page to your website. Then pitch brands that align with your niche, like a budgeting app if you're a finance creator. Your action step: license one piece of content this month. Even a $50 deal starts the snowball rolling. The real magic happens when these streams work together. For example, my blog drives affiliate sales and promotes my digital products. And my dividend income funds my Airbnb deposits. Here's a critical rule: reinvest 50% of your profits back into scaling. I used Airbnb cash to hire a virtual assistant, freeing up 20 hours a week to launch more digital products. So, there you have it, the exact blueprint that changed my life. But here's the truth: I failed 12 times before this worked. Your turn. Pick one stream and start today. I'm also giving away my income stream calculator. It'll show you how to hit $10,000 a month with your chosen stream. The link is in the description below. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind, smash that like button, subscribe for more real money blueprints, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your future self is begging you to start now.